Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Pusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Students, today I am going to discuss the chapter 1 of the unit 3 of class 10, that is our operating system. Before discussing this one, first of all, I would like to say that welcome to our e-learning class, which is organized by Modern English School, Nevada, Bihar. Students, now we will discuss the operating system. Already we have idea, or of this class 10 students, you have already learned this chapter in class 9 also. The same also is repeating in the class 10 also. Is that clear or not, student? So student, this video, the today video is applicable with both class 9 and class 10. When class 9, we will discuss the operating system part. Okay student, this video also I will provide. And for class 10, you see this one and you will watch that one. Okay student, now we start the student operating system. Students, what do you mean by operating system? As we know that operating system, one type of this software. That means operating system is a system software which is a collection of programs that controls or manages the two major components. Controls and manage two major components of the computer system. What are those? One is your software, another one is your hardware. Okay student? So students, operating system is a collection of programs. Operating system is a collection of programs that controls or manages the two major components of computer system. Remember this one. Okay students, if you see this one, I have written operating system is a collection of programs that controls or manages the two major components of the computer system. What are the two major components which will be controlled by the operating system? That is our one is your software, another one is your hardware. Okay, the two major components are this one. The first one is your hardware. Okay student, and the second one is your software. Okay students, these two major components which will be controlled by operating system. Okay student, which will be controlled by operating system, hardware, and second one is your software. Okay students, is that clear? Remember this one. I will ask the question, what is operating system and which two components which will be controlled by the operating system? Okay student. So students, today class we will discuss the basic introduction to operating system. So student, you see, alternately we can also tell operating system is interface between user and hardware components of the computer system. That is another definition also. One definition is this one. Operating system is a collection of programs that controls or manages the hardware and software components of the computer system. Okay. Another also you can tell operating system is an interface between user and hardware components of the computer system. You see these diagrams here. User, yes or no student, and hardware. Here the operating system, yes or no student. So this one is your what? Software. Okay student. So when the operating system interface between the user and hardware. Okay student, that is our what? Operating system. Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not student? Student, you see this diagram. What are I written here? User 1, user 2 name. The same operating system can be used by all limited users. What are the examples of the operating system? Students, Windows operating system, Linux operating system, and DOS operating system. Yes or no? Basically, we know that three types of the operating systems we are using the computer. One is a DOS operating system, another one is a Windows operating system, and next one is a Linux operating system. Is that clear or no student? And which one is the most preferred or which is easily used? That is our Windows operating system. Each and every home are using nowadays, maximum people are using the computer, and in that computer which type of the operating system has installed? That is our Windows, and Windows has the different version, and you read that one in the page number 71 of class 10. Is that clear student? So students, the Windows operating system is more popular as compared with the DOS and Linux operating system. Is that clear? So students, you see this one. That's why the Windows or Linux, that the such type of the operating system which can be used by the unlimited user. We cannot say that is used by the limited person. No. Okay, student. So student, user 1, user 2, user n. Okay. So this is our software. This is our hardware. What are the softwares are we using? System software and application software. Students, I have discussed and I have told operating system can be managed by hardware and software components. You see, this is your software components. This is our software, okay, and this is our hardware, and this is our operating system. So operating system interface between the user and hardware of the what? Components of the computer system. Is that clear? The students, you see software, that means here the operating system software, application software, which will be controlled by the operating system, okay, and it also controls the hardware. What are the hardware? CPU, RAM, and input output device. What type of? We know the input and output device, that is also controlled by the operating system. RAM is used to access, random access means to boot your computer, booting of your computer. Is that clear or not? When you boot the computer, it will be processed. Yes or no student? It will be processed in that time where the information has been stored. Is that clear or no student? The students, in that during the booting process, RAM is working. Okay student, booting means your operating system is ready to work, is ready to process. Where it will be there? The RAM. Okay student, in the CPU. So that means the operating system, where it will be stored? Inside the CPU box. Okay, it will be processed. Information will be accessed by the RAM, and give the information, take the information by the input and output device. These are all the smoothly conducted by the operating system. If operating system is installed correctly, then your computer will be working properly. Otherwise, computer will not be working. Students, system software and application software. In your mind, the system software is also, or operating system is an example of the system software. Then how it will work? Student, system software are of different types. One is your operating system type of the software, yes or no? Another one is your students, utility software. Is that clear? Utility software is also system software. Is that clear or not, student? Antivirus. Is that clear? Antivirus, that is the one type of the software that is under the system software, students. Is that clear or not? So students, that type of the software, application software is your what? Word processing, payroll software, Excel software, PowerPoint, any type of the game application, any type of video software. This type of the softwares are the application software. These are all the software which will be controlled by the operating system. Is that clear or not? And these user and which will run or operated this one user. That's why here I have written user 1, user 2, user. They give the instruction when they will give the instruction to the computer. Yes or no? So they will work by the first of all what, student? Operating system. Is that clear or not? So student, they will, after opening the computer, they will be operating. When they will be operating using these two software, either system software or application software. Is that clear or not, student? Either system software or application software, which will be used by the unlimited user, and these two will be controlled by the operating system, and also we can also control the hardware components of the computer system. Which type of the hardware components will be controlled by the operating system? Write the name of the hardware component. You write the CPU, RAM, and input-output device. And input-output device: keyboard, mouse, monitor, speaker, our also printer. Yes or no? These are all the source type of the example which will be controlled by the operating system also. Is that clear, student? So student, that's it today. This is our introduction class. In the next class, we will discuss some of the application program. Is that clear, student? So student, you see this one, watch it. If you have doubt, then you can ask me. That's it.